In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Teams chat and channels together. If you're navigating the latest Microsoft Teams interface and feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the new features, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, you'll want to focus your attention on the chat section. This is where the magic begins. The new Microsoft Teams experience has been designed to be more intuitive and streamlined, allowing you to access chats, channels, and even meeting chats all from this one central hub. Now you'll want to click on Chats. This will bring up all your direct conversations and personal messages. Think of it as your inbox for one-on-one chats or small group messages. It's perfect for those quick exchanges or private discussions with colleagues. Once you've familiarized yourself with your chats, let's move on to channels. Switching to channels will open up a whole new world of shared team discussions and organized communication. This is where you can collaborate on projects, share updates, and keep track of group activities. Channels are essentially the lifeblood of team collaboration, allowing everyone to stay on the same page. But that's not all. You can also open meeting chats from this interface. This feature lets you review and participate in conversations that are linked to your meetings. It's a great way to keep all the important details and discussions tied to specific meetings in one accessible place. The new Teams layout is all about efficiency and fluidity. By having chats, channels, and meeting chats accessible from the same area, you can move more smoothly between different types of communication. This integration is designed to boost your productivity and make it easier for you to manage your interactions without jumping around different sections of the app. Using chats and channels together not only helps in keeping your communications organized, but also enhances team collaboration. It ensures that every conversation is easily accessible, which ultimately leads to more efficient teamwork. Whether you're planning a project, discussing strategies, or just catching up, having everything in one place can make a world of difference. And there you have it. That's how you use the new Microsoft Teams chat and channels together. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll be well on your way to mastering your team communications. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy teaming.